friend tip. Real long hair with a thick hair. I'ma let her turn her, let her drip drip. Friend tip. Know I like it when you get a friend tip. Real long hair with a thick hair. I'ma let her.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back to show y'all how to install and style a wig. If y'all want to know the specs of this hair, check out my description box below. So if you guys want to know how to install a wig, just keep on watching. Okay y'all, before I get started, I just wanted to show you all what the wig looks like curled and everything. It's so pretty. That color is a medium dark brown, and look at that. And the hairline is pre-plucked. This hair is Brazilian body wave, and it is 24 inches. Y'all, look at this curl pattern. It looks the exact same as it did when I got it out of the pack. I did wash it, and you see the waves come right back. Also came with a nude wig cap, y'all. Oh my gosh. So if I ever want to do that little melting application, this can come in handy because I needed a new cap too. So, but today I probably won't use a cap because this is supposed to be like a quick install, and nobody don't got time to be melting caps into your head and blending. Don't have time for that. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do it a little quick like. So I'm going to go ahead and just put the wig on my head so I can show y'all what it looks like actually on. So this is what the wig looks like on. It's giving me like ginger, what kind of chocolate vibes? Yes, like a chocolatey vibe. So before I get started on the application, I just flip the lace part of the wig up. That way I can go ahead and I apply alcohol to the perimeter of my hair. This just helps get all of the excess oil from off the perimeter, so whatever adhesive or glue or gel you use will stick better to your hair. And this way that I'm doing it is actually a new technique for me, but it works so much better and my wigs stay on so much longer. I actually leave the lace on the wigs. That way I can pull and adjust the wig by the lace instead of the hairline, because you have oil on your hands. So if you use your hands on the exact place you're laying the wig down, it's just gonna be messy and you get oil back on the hair, and it takes longer. So we don't have time for that. So what I do first is take my Got To Be Glue gel, and I have a little dot here. I actually like to start in the middle of my head. That way I can adjust it and lay it exactly where I want the whole wig to lay, and then I'll go back and do each side. I'm going to take my blow dryer and put it on cool, and I'm going to just speed up this process. Since I'm done applying this area, I'm just gonna cut down the middle because this lace is hella long and it is like really messing with my lashes right now. So I'm doing that just to flip it up to get it out of my eyes. And I'm just gonna move on to the other side. And because this extra lace is here, I am able to go in and correct how the wig is laid. So if I want to pull it back, I can pull it back. Pull it forward, I can pull it forward. I'm just going to take the blow dryer again and continue to blow dry it until I feel like it's completely dried. Now that the perimeter is dry, I'm just going to go ahead and take my little scissors and cut the lace off around the perimeter. The reason why I am cutting it off piece by piece, I can look super close to the hairline so I don't cut off too much lace, but I cut off just enough. I'm just going to go ahead and get in there and cut off the rest of this lace. And y'all see how close I can get to the hairline because I did this method. The only difficult part I would say about this application is cutting off the ear piece, the ear tab. So what I'm gonna do is take this hair over here and flip it up, and y'all can see that the ear tab is coming up, so we probably will have to apply more gel to that piece as well, which is okay, at least we got the main source. I got pretty close to the hairline, so I probably won't be cutting off any more lace because you already know I'm about to be putting on some baby hairs, honey. I'm gonna take some more gel and apply it to the ear tabs because it is doing it on this side as well. So I'm just gonna apply more gel and hairspray and blow dry it. So we have this side secured. Y'all see that ain't going nowhere. And if y'all see that the hairspray makes it a little bit messy, I do suggest applying your wigs before you do your makeup. That way, if y'all want the perimeter of the wig to blend with your makeup, or you want to apply makeup to the hairline and all that stuff, you can do that while you apply it. So I think it's best and less messy to apply your wigs before you do your makeup. You know, I just had my makeup done because I just did it before I got on camera. I'm just gonna take a wet cloth here and go around the perimeter to clean off the excess gel. Okay, so now the wig is on and applied. So that is how I apply my wigs. Get that little curve going right there. Oh yes, girl. Oh, look at that sideburn.